Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Kitchen. For making besan ke laddu, we'll be needing 1/4 cup ghee, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 cup besan flour and 2 tablespoons of pistachio. We'll start by roasting our besan. Roast it for 1 minute. After dry roasting the besan flour, we'll add ghee. Add little by little and then mix it. Make sure that there's no lump formation. After roasting for 5 to 7 minutes, now we'll allow it to cool down and then we'll add sugar. Now we'll add sugar and mix it properly. Our mixture is ready and we'll start making our balls. Let's get and see, our yummy besan laddu is ready. If you like this video, please like, share.